What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. I want to talk about what is the benefit of having an EV during the springtime. It's not like a traditional car where you got to pop the hood, check the engine filter, the engine oil, the transmission, all those good components, and then like, all right, cool, I'm good. The only thing that you have to check on having an EV is your washer fluid, your tire pressure, and your cabin filter. Yeah. So if it's like smell it up in there, yes, you do have a cabin filter in your EV. It's not that many components that you have to check during the springtime for your EV. The only thing you have to do is washer fluid, cabin filter, and check the tire pressure. Make sure the tire pressure is good. Man, I ain't gonna say a lie, man. I'm thinking about getting an EV. That is pretty cool. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.